Hi, I'm Sophia and I'm a sewing tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to interface fabric pieces. Let's get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon for notification of future videos. Interfacing helps stabilise fabric pieces. It's normally used on facings and weak points of a garment. Make sure you've read the manufacturer's instructions on how to apply the interfacing. Pin the pieces you need interfaced onto your interfacing. The fabric piece should be right side up, so the wrong side is on the glue side of the interfacing. Carefully cut around your fabric piece so the interfacing is the same size. Using your iron the interfacing onto the wrong side of the fabric piece. Make sure to not press it for too long as interfacing burns easily. Neaten any edges. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next project or learn a new skill. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. We'd love to read your comments. And join us for more videos soon.